Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today we are going to discuss important Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today we are going to discuss five important MCQs in this question. So MCQ number one, this is MCQ number one, this is MCQ number two, and this is MCQ number three, and later on we will discuss MCQ number four. Like suppose we will write this is MCQ number four, and this is MCQ number five, the last one. So we will discussing these five MCQ today in our lecture, and we will find the answer of these. Okay, what are the answer of these? Okay, so the very first MCQ in which we are going to discuss the answer, that is bypassing hydrogen gas through vegetable oil, it is converted into ghee. So the first, this is the best option. You have four options. This is option number one, this is option number two, this is three, and this is the four. So ghee is the answer for this. Ghee is the best answer of it. Okay, fog is a solution to air in water, air in air, vapor in vapor, water vapors. Okay, so this is the best on answer. So wherever we will write the answer, we will write that water vapor, water vapor in air, in air. So this is the best answer. Okay, MCQ number 3 and MCQ number 4. Okay, to prepare ammonia gas, the gaseous mixture of hydrogen chlorine, no. Hydrogen nitrogen, yes. This is the best answer. Okay, so the answer is hydrogen H2 plus N2 goes to form 2NH3. Okay, so this will be the option. Okay, in option number 4, which is very easy, the solution of copper and zinc forms, this is the best answer, brass. So you need not to study all of them, only brass. Okay, number 5, last one. The number of moles of solute dissolved per dm cube of the solution. This is the definition of molarity. So we can say this is molarity. So these are the answer of these 5 MCQs. So we will discuss these 5 MCQs. Okay, what were these? Let me write it again. Okay, these were the 5 MCQs. The number 1, option number 1 is, this is the option number 1. This is option number 1. Option number 2 is water vapor in the air. Option number 3 is hydrogen and nitrogen. Option number 4 is brass, and option number 5 is molarity. So these are the five MCQs for today, and tomorrow we will discuss 5 more MCQs. Till then, take a very good care of yourself. Have a nice day. Assalamu alaikum.